We'll explore the problem of protectionist policies that are designed to put America first, but end up putting some Americans more first than others. While these policies are ostensibly about favoring domestic industries over foreign interests, in practice, they are often controlled by special interests and can be detrimental to the economy as a whole. Let's consider shipping regulations, for example. Federal law stipulates that people cannot sail from domestic port to domestic port aboard a ship that is not built, flagged, staffed, and owned in America. While this protects American shipbuilders and the shipping companies that use those vessels, it also makes shipping more expensive, which hurts other domestic industries that use those ships. Higher shipping costs mean that American manufacturers have to pay more for essential materials like steel, which can ultimately harm the economy. Steel tariffs, which protect domestic steel manufacturers, end up costing every other manufacturer who uses steel. This creates a bad trade-off when there are 80 times more steel-using workers than there are steel workers. Congress now has the difficult job of deciding who gets favors and who has to pay for them. For example, saving the shipbuilders can cost the steelworkers, and saving the steelworkers can cost the shipbuilders. The auto workers, pipeline builders, construction workers, and makers of fixtures, furniture, and countless other products are also affected. Ultimately, protectionist policies are not part of a grand design that carefully weighs the costs and benefits of these favors and punishments. Rather, they are the product of political whims and special interests looking for favors regardless of the costs on others. Supporters of protectionism often spin stories about how their policies put Americans first, but in reality, they benefit some domestic industries at the expense of others and the public at large. Lawmakers want American workers to come out ahead, but end up supporting policies that put some American workers behind. What we need are domestic manufacturers who are good at their jobs, who compete and win on the worldwide stage. Despite claims that the nation has been deindustrialized, Americans produce more than ever. Policies that protect some at the expense of others are unnecessary when so many industries can succeed on their own. So, let's stop telling stories about how protectionism will protect American industry and American workers. Instead, we should be skeptical when policymakers use protectionist rhetoric and demand policies that benefit everyone, not just a select few. Subscribe Libertarian Facts.